Have you ever spent hours cooking at home? Followed every step? Used the same ingredients? Yet somehow, restaurant food still tastes better? Is there a secret ingredient? A hidden spice? Or are professional chefs simply better cooks? The truth may surprise you. Today we're revealing 10 restaurant secrets that completely change the flavor of food. After watching this video, you'll never cook the same way again. Secret number 10, butter. Most restaurants don't use a little butter. They use lots of it. Butter adds richness. It carries flavor. It creates the silky texture people love. Many home cooks use 1 tablespoon. Restaurants often use 3 or 4 times that amount. Secret number 9. Salt isn't the enemy. Restaurants season food in layers. Salt isn't added only at the end. It's added during cooking. Professional chefs understand exactly when seasoning should happen. That's why every bite tastes balanced. Secret number 8. High heat changes everything. Most home kitchens cook too gently. Restaurants use extremely high temperatures. This creates caramelization, golden crusts, smoky flavors. That beautiful restaurant color. Secret number 7. Fresh ingredients. Fresh herbs. Fresh garlic. Fresh lemon juice. Freshly ground spices. Tiny differences produce massive flavor. Secret number 6. Resting food. Steaks. Chicken. Rice. Even pasta. Professional chefs know food continues cooking after leaving the heat. Resting allows juices to redistribute. The result? Juicier food. Secret number 5. Message explained. Many restaurants use ingredients naturally rich in umami. Some cuisines also use message. Used responsibly, it enhances savory flavor. Explain that many everyday foods, such as tomatoes, mushrooms, and Parmesan cheese naturally contain glutamates. Secret number 4. Texture is everything. Crunch, creaminess, softness. Professional chefs combine different textures in one dish. That's why restaurant food feels more satisfying. Secret number 3. Presentation. People eat with their eyes first. The same meal can seem more delicious simply because it's beautifully plated. Color, contrast, and clean presentation matter. Secret number 2. Preparation before cooking. Restaurants prepare everything before service. This is called mise en place. Ingredients are measured. Vegetables are chopped. Sauces are ready. This keeps cooking smooth and consistent. Secret number 1. Consistency. Every ingredient is measured. Cooking times are controlled. Temperatures are monitored. Recipes are repeated exactly. Consistency is the biggest secret behind restaurant quality food. Restaurant food isn't magical. It's the result of discipline, technique, and attention to detail. The good news? Most of these methods can be used at home. Try just a few of these secrets, and you may notice a real difference in your cooking. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe Arif Kitchen, and share this video with someone who loves cooking. Which restaurant secret surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.